the majesty of trees, the sounds of nature, the gentle passage of time, the energy of rushing wind, the warmth of dappled sun, the stillness, the unchanging, changing forest.
Habitats, for humanity, but also for wildlife.
The tiny forest. Today I saw the trees I planted. Some were straight and others slanted. But I was surprised how much they'd grown in just five months. Time had flown. Back in March, we'd worked all day to plant the whips a certain way.
I think we all need to plant seeds to grow people.